Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Today's video I'm doing an unboxing. So I purchased the crown kit by Miss Elizabeth, Love Light Liz. I memorized her IG name. On Instagram, I'll leave the information in the description bar. Yeah, she did a crown kit where she included products from like black owned businesses. It ranges from hair, skin, beauty, or just like random stuff in here. I have an idea of what's in here, but there's some items that I didn't really look at because she posted a picture and I don't really know exactly what's in it. But that's my disclaimer. I got a box. I'm going to show you guys what I got. So let's start. So cute. It's cute. Guys, it's cute. Anthony, it's cute. Love it. Love it. Got a piece of hair on my face. But how cute. Anthony's like this. I'm gonna keep this. So, okay, let me just open this first. Oh, as you guys know, I always have little kids in my background, so ignore that. I try to. Okay, ooh. And I never tried anything from this line. So this is by Product Junkie Natural and is a Baylicious Curls Deep Conditioner. I'm really excited to try this out. Wow. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm just gonna keep going.
Yeah, what's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's the box about?
Out of the box. So this is it right here. So cute, and it's pretty heavy. So let's start. It says the Crown Kit, Winter 2019.
The shipping bubble.
The shipping bubble? Oh, okay. Okay. So this is the Earthborn Organics Herbal Apple Cider Vinegar Rinse. So I got a natural soap, Cleanse and Soothe. It's from Gland Republic. Interesting because I like to use homemade soap, so I was running out of my stuff. So this is a nice product. Oh, I got a I love chapstick. So I got a chapstick. It's by Ellijay Essentials and it's the Mango Papaya Lip Butter. Ooh, this smells good. That smells really good. Ooh, mango butter. Use as often as needed to avoid potato chip lips. So funny. Next thing I have here is by Brielle, and it's the Glow Butter. Designed for instant natural glow, apply Glow Butter generously all over the body to clean skin. It kind of smells like Play-Doh, but this is a body butter. I don't want to apply things as I go because I feel like I'm going to make a mess. So we have Mylon Scalp and Edge Nutrient Serum. So some of the things here, it says that it has essential oils, black seed oil, vitamin A, D, and E. So like a nice little hair serum. I'm trying not to look inside the box. I have a Royal Roots Conditioner by Crown Me Coil Care. So this is a nice moisture replenishing for all curl pattern and texture, combats dryness, frizz, and improve manageability. Oh, it has a little lid. It has like a very light like body lotion scent. Right here, I have another deep conditioner. You can never have enough deep conditioner, so I'm really liking that so far. I get to try like a whole range of stuff. Carmela Marie Deep Conditioner Honey and Hibiscus. So we got this product right here. And it says that it's Naturally Curly 2018 Editor's Choice Award winner. So I got like a good thing right here. I have to smell it. Oh, it smells sweet. But like a fruity sweet. Like it's not something that smells like candy sweet. It has like a fruity sweet scent. So I'm really liking that. So right here I have a, oh, this is for Anthony. It says Ellijay Essentials Beard Butter.
Nice.
We got something for the fellas.
For my crown.
It's giving me like Senora perfume. But it doesn't smell bad. It smells clean. It's giving me Senora vibes. Okay. Another thing I have here. Oh, look what I got. And I was running low. If you guys saw my last video, which is products that I'm currently using, I used this product right here and I have a little bit left, so I'm glad that I got a backup. So this is the Restore by Main Crush. I already showed you guys this before. It's something that I like to use when I have like an itchy scalp, if I have my hair up in a bun, or just regularly if my hair feels itchy, I'll just apply this all throughout my hair. I really like that this product has a nozzle and it can get in there, so I'm glad about that. Okay, so okay, I have a shampoo bar and it's by Chocolate Kingston Curls and it's a Key Lime Truffle Shampoo Bar. And I have a body bar, activated charcoal, and it's by It's Natural, close to the end here. I think this might be why it's so chalky. I have a shower steamer. What is this? With peppermint oil. Place a steamer on the bottom of the shower floor away from the steam of water. Enjoy the release of essential oils. Not for tub use. What is this? Yeah, this is. I think this is why it's so dusty in here, because it's this product. What is this? What is a shower steamer? I'm reading. I read the directions, but interesting. Okay. Who's it by? By Pardo Naturals. I have another deep conditioner. So this is by Earthborn Organics and it's the Kokum Butter Deep Conditioner. This product right here. I have a whipped body polish by Almond Cream. No, it's by Asia Naturals and it's the Almond Cream Whipped Body Polish. The stuff. Oh, nice. This feels relaxing. I have to look because I'm in the home stretch. So I have here, okay, all their business cards. So that's pretty much all that's in the crown kit right here. I really like that they focused on deep conditioners. She mentioned that since it's the winter edition and in winter your hair is more dry, she really wanted to put a lot of moisturizing deep conditioners in it. So I'm really happy that I have a lot of things. Do I have another one? Yeah. I feel like I have a lot of things to help really moisturize my hair. So I'm really excited about that. And I don't know, I'm really happy to get to know more Black-owned small businesses out and introduce you guys to some of these stuff. Let me know down below if there's any products that you guys have heard of. Let me know. I'm so excited to try this stuff out, and check my description box so you can see her information. I'm going to keep you guys updated on my Instagram with a mini review, so check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.